Manual repair logging and technical document review remain one of aviation's most persistent inefficiencies. In this Aviation Week Network Spotlight, we meet a company that's using inbuilt AI systems to beat the problem. I'm joined by Finn Quinlan, CEO of London-based Fleetcraft, which has received seed funding to help maintenance teams reduce aircraft turnaround times and focus on repair, not paperwork. So Finn, tell us about Fleetcraft.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me, Alan. Great to be here. Fleetcraft builds AI systems for aviation and aircraft maintenance, repair, and overhaul. So we help MROs reduce their turnaround time, grow their capacity, and most importantly, enhance their quality and output. It's been a pretty amazing and transformational year for us as well. We've launched with MROs and maintenance organizations across the world, so from the US and Texas to Australia, and technicians and inspectors are already using Fleetcraft, seeing major gains in their turnaround time, efficiency, and quality.
So how does it actually work? How do engineers and the technicians actually use the system to avoid all the paperwork?
Yeah, so Fleetcraft is an AI voice-powered system. We turn tasks that once took technicians and inspectors hours into seconds. So techs can produce compliant, structured, and standardized documentation that looks like it's been quality assessed, like inspection sheets or task cards, non-routine findings, by speaking with Fleetcraft. So they don't have to actually leave their workstation or the aircraft. And they can reason through complex documents while retaining all of their control, without having to read through, hundreds of pages of PDFs or, even worse, actual paper.
So how do you ensure the accuracy of what comes out from, is it Sonic you call it?
Sonic.
How do you ensure its accuracy and it meets compliance?
Yeah, it's a really good question. We actually, depend and rely on the expertise of the technicians and inspectors using Fleetcraft. We have a system where we transcribe and transform that information after working with these organizations to produce an output they want, and then let their team accept or reject their work. And by doing that, they can actually improve the system.
Look, we know there are workforce challenges ahead, or indeed they're here now. Do you see this as helping to solve some of that?
Yeah, we're facing a need for 700,000 technicians, technical staff over the next 2 decades. And that's to, work with probably 40,000+ deliveries. I think the demand and need for MRO will be greater than ever. If you look at the current workflows in these organizations, I think so much of it has remained manual, persistently manual for such a complex industry. And I think Fleetcraft can really be a driving factor in making this reality.
Finn, as a startup, it's all going very well, but where do you see the future for the business?
At Fleetcraft, we see aerospace as a symbol of human progress. The things we've been able to do in such a short period of time is pretty extraordinary. We power global trade and connect people across continents. And when you talk with maintenance teams and technicians today, you see that manual processes really are hampering this industry from flourishing. Now that we're facing such challenges in supply chain and with shortages in technicians, I think this is a crucial time for the industry to adopt new tools.
So helping that along, how do MRO businesses and indeed regulators get in touch with you?
Yeah, they can contact me on our website and book a meeting. In terms of regulators, we like to stay as engaged as possible. I saw EASA just released their DS AIs. We've been reading through that. It's a proposed rulemaking. But I think bringing regulation to this industry, to the AI side of MRO, will be really important and something to look forward to. And for any MRO that wants to contact us, we'll be at all of the MRO, Asia and Latin America events, exhibiting and parts-based expos. So make sure to reach out to me.
Finn Quinlan, thank you for joining us.